spindle overheating, guides going rough, vacuum table losing suction. All of these failures have one thing in common: they were preventable. This is the Wattsan channel. If you're new here, join our community of laser and CNC enthusiasts. Hit subscribe. Today we're going through the full maintenance routine for your Wattsan CNC router. Everything you need to do to keep it running for years without expensive downtime. Milling tools. Start with your milling tools. Check them before every job. A worn or chipped bit doesn't just cut poorly. It can snap mid-job and damage the workpiece, the collet, or worse, the spindle itself. Store bits in a dry, dust-free environment. A dedicated holder or sealed box works best. Keep moisture away. Rust and micro-damage from impacts are the two fastest ways to shorten tool life. Take care of the tools, and the tools will take care of the cut. Kinematic system and lubrication. The kinematic system, guides, ball screws, bearings, is the most precision-sensitive part of the machine. This is where accuracy lives, and this is where neglect hits hardest. On all Wattsan CNC routers, we integrated an automatic lubrication system. Oil is distributed first to the bearings, then along the full length of the guides, flushing out dust and debris in the process. The only thing you need to do, monitor the oil level and refill when it drops. That's it. We designed it this way deliberately. Manual lubrication of linear bearings is nearly impossible to do properly. The oil has to reach the recirculating balls inside the block, and there's no easy way to get it there by hand. If anything looks off with the oil system, don't ignore it. Contact us, and we'll sort it out remotely or with an on-site engineer. Dust and electronics. Routing is dusty work. MDF dust, wood chips, fine shavings. They accumulate everywhere, including places you don't normally look. Before opening the control cabinet, power the machine down completely. Then use compressed air to blow out any dust that's built up inside. Electronic components don't tolerate contamination. Dust bridges across PCB traces cause short circuits. A 10-minute cleaning prevents a repair bill that runs into the thousands. If you have a workstation computer near the machine, clean that too. Chiller. If your spindle is water-cooled, you have a chiller. We supply Wattsan routers with TEU S&A chillers, a well-established name. Same category as Highwin, Siemens, Yaskawa. Brands we use consistently across the Wattsan lineup because reliability isn't negotiable. Two things to monitor: water level and water quality. Replace the coolant every 3 to 4 months. Use distilled water only. Tap water introduces minerals and organic matter that cause algae growth. Algae clogs the cooling lines and kills the spindle. That's an expensive problem. Before starting each shift, check the chiller's display temperature. Extreme cold or heat affects both the water quality and the cooling efficiency. Give it a minute to stabilize if needed. Vacuum pump. If your router has a vacuum table, the pump filter needs regular cleaning. We recommend doing it at the start and end of every shift, especially when working with MDF or other high-dust materials. A clogged filter means weak suction. Weak suction means parts shift mid-cut. That ruins the product and puts stress on the tool and spindle in ways that aren't obvious until something breaks. One more thing. If you're running a sacrificial MDF table, it acts as an additional coarse filter for the pump. Fewer particles reach the filter, so it stays clean longer. Worth keeping that in mind. Bits, kinematic system, dust, chiller, vacuum pump. Cover all of these, and your Wattsan router will run reliably for years. Skip them, and you're looking at downtime and repair costs that dwarf any time you saved. Questions? Leave them in the comments. Need support? Reach us on Telegram or WeChat. Links are in the description. This is Wattsan. Like the video if it was useful, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Bye-bye.